Hi, Stacy here from Just Beat It. Practicing my crimping, showing you how to crimp. We have these pearl and check glass bead kits on our site, justbeatit.net, but I thought I'd show you how to crimp. So here I beaded the project, so the light purple one. Putting our crimp bead on. Split ring. Go back through the crimp bead. And I'm going to smush it with our needle nose plier. Or crimp it. You don't want it rubbing against the split ring. Move it a little bit away. And crimp. Hide the tail. It's best if you hold it in between the 6/0 bead and crimp. I'll show you how to do the other side.